What's up everybody, this is Shanae and I'm back today with a video on how to create a DIY pallet couch for your outdoor space, your balcony, your patio, whatever you may have. If you wanted to DIY some chairs for your space, watch this video. I'm going to show you how to create a pallet couch where you can kind of relax and chill, and it's super cute for your space, and it's super simple and easy and affordable. If you're interested in all that, watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you share and comment too.
So first I found some pallets on Letgo. They were free, so make sure you check your local Letgo app in your area to see who may be trying to get rid of some pallets. Like I said, they were free. They usually send them with businesses to help hold really heavy loads, and the businesses just put them out back so people can just grab them if they want them to make things. So check them out. These are some of the other items I needed for this project, and I was actually able to find them at the dollar store. So make sure you check your dollar store because they have a lot of stuff that you could use. You're going to need an electric sander as well to sand the pallets, and I got this from Walmart. This is the deck paint that I chose for my pallet. I picked this up from Walmart and it was about $30. And here are my pallets. So I have two big ones I'm going to stack up together, and then I'm going to put the small one as like a backboard for the chair to make it more like a couch. When sanding your pallets, you want to make sure you are sanding from left to right, side to side. You don't want to go against the grain of the wood pallets. That could mess it up, apparently. I did my research on other videos and they were just saying just go side to side to go with the grain of the wood. This is the color of the deck paint. Once I open the can, you have to kind of stir it up all together to mix in the sealant. I literally painted every inch of two big pallets and one small pallet. The project took about maybe 4 hours on painting. While the pallets were drying, I literally left everything outside for the next couple of days. So here's me emptying out the vacuum pack for the sander, and it really wasn't a whole lot in there. Before I laid our new rug down, I wanted to sweep away any of the dust that the sander might have left behind. And you guys, I found this rug at Ollie's for about 16 bucks. It is a 5x7 and it only fits half of the balcony, not the whole balcony, only half. And y'all, these pallets are heavy, so make sure you have help getting them in your car and if you just need help with it, make sure you ask somebody to help you because they are pretty heavy. I decided I wanted to make my couch cushions instead of purchasing them. So I bought foam and I'm wrapping it in a shower curtain from the dollar store I purchased. And that's just going to keep the foam clean while it is used outside. I end up super gluing one of my foam pieces, but I did hot glue this one and I felt like the hot glue maybe was too hot and it kind of messed it up a little bit, but whatever. This outdoor fabric came from Joann's Fabric for about $10 a yard. I actually used 2 for my pallet cushions, and I love this color because it is a neutral that can go with pretty much anything. And I used Velcro strips to keep it all together. And this is how my couch cushions came out. I think they look really good, you guys. I really outdid myself. These pillows came from my local Goodwill. They were about $4 a piece. Make sure y'all are checking y'all thrift stores. You can find a whole bunch of hidden gems. This space has become my little oasis away from home, you guys. I come out here and I just sit and enjoy the weather, look outside. I may occasionally see some deer. Like, being out here is such a vibe, y'all. This is probably my favorite spot in the whole apartment to be chilling right now. Get my wine and I'm set for the evening. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're thinking about redoing your balcony space, your patio space, your outdoor space, and you just need some ideas, I hope this video was good to you. Make sure you subscribe and check out more of my videos. Bye.